Hello, wealthy, successful, money-making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you. This video is in response to the video that I made this morning. And this is more of a pep talk. But guys, I want to acknowledge that trading can be tough. Trading is tough. It's not the trading itself. Trading is easy, but it is the psychological warfare of the market that makes it tough. And I meant to say the market is tough. Trading is easy, but it is the chop fest, the trick, trap, and kill, the leading you to the wrong side of the trade, all of the tricks and the pitfalls that are in the market. I want to say that I am not successful in the market because I'm so smart, because the market is constantly changing strategies. But an advantage that I have is I have rules that I trade. Trade your rules, trade your rules, trade your rules. Because yesterday I ended the day in the negative. And the market, I finally got to the place where I thought I was going to get some of that money back and recover. However, got in the market during the economic report, got more than 50 pips in each of the positions that I had on the Euro JPY, and price came back to close. Well, you can see where mostly I got stopped out. Now, I was able to stop myself out in some of those positions. However, the market stopped me out before I got a chance, and I was hot. Guys, I threw the biggest temper tantrum yesterday. You would have thought somebody shot me because I couldn't believe they did that to me. But that's their job. Their job every day is to transfer wealth from your pocket into their pocket. Where your job every day is to transfer wealth out of that $4 trillion pool into your family's lifestyle. Guys, this is simply business. The market has nothing personal against you. This is purely business. It is about the transference of wealth. Now, only you can decide how that wealth is going to be transferred. If you are doing something that's bringing you success in the market, continue to repeat that pattern. Repeat it over and over and over again. And guys, that's the benefit that I have. Not that I'm so smart, but I keep trying. I keep trying, I keep trying, and I trade rules. I trade rules. I do not trade them perfectly. However, I get in the market to trade rules. And I'm going to say, when you enter your platform, this is business. They are out to get you, and they are constantly updating their trick, trap, and kill methods. Whatever it takes to transfer wealth from your pocket into theirs. And guess what? They are very good at it. And the way that they get you is to take you off of your emotional game. It is the psychological and emotional attack that pretty much does it for you, especially when you've been losing money. And yesterday I lost it because I just lost all this money. However, today you can see, if you go from this column to that column, if you want to take the time to do that, that a lot of these pips I got, a lot of these positions I got more than 100 pip per position. So I ended up with over 700 pips today. And then I was out of the market. I just went out and went shopping or whatever. But I ended up closing the day out in profit. So I made all that I lost back and ended the day in profit. Because that's the thing about the market. The market can be crazy, crazy, crazy. Then it will straighten up and it will give you lots of pips. The market did the exact same thing yesterday as it did today. However, I had some take profits in there, so I was able to maximize that. The Euro USD, I didn't expect as much from it, and you can see I only got a little over 20 pips on both of those pairs. But anyway, the day ended up with over 700 pips, and that's the thing about the market, guys. one day it can beat your brains out, and the next day it can send you straight into the heavens. And I just want to remind you to trade your plan and your rules with consistent discipline. And the benefit that I have, I'm not going to tell you what to do, is that I keep trying, guys. I keep trying. I keep trying. There are days that I hate the market, but the benefit that I have is that I keep trying. And there are days that the market doesn't do a whole lot of anything. I may end the day up with 50 pips. But then you have days like this where you have over 700. These same 700 pips, if I traded all of these positions to the upside, instead of these being 100 pips, they could have been close to 200 pips per um, per position. And then I could have gotten 200 pips to the downside, but I just went ahead, got out of the market, made a video, left, and I was done. But that's the thing, guys. There are days that even when you have days that you're just losing, if you continue to trade a good plan with consistent discipline, the market will reward you for that. Now I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific, wonderful, oh, it's non-farm payroll tomorrow. Have a terrific, prosperous non-farm payroll.